Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today we're checking out a phone case that's actually been sent to me by this company. So this is TVCMall. I'll have some details on screen with their website and also the listing details in the description below. They did actually reach out to me. It's been a little while, mainly because of shipping times and also because of other things that I've had going on. So the case did arrive a little while ago, but I've not unboxed it or anything. I do know a little bit about what makes this case different. So we'll take a look at that. So firstly, in the box, it did come in just a generic brown box, and inside you had these two items. So firstly is just a thank you card with some details on their socials and other things like that, and then you get the actual packaging itself. Looks very premium. This one is for the 15 Pro Max. So first thing we'll do is we'll take it out of the box. Straight away, there's two things in the box. So firstly, the box itself is nicely padded. So yeah, you are getting a very premium feel from these. And then in the box, you basically have a QR code. And this is with instructions in terms of how to use the case. So essentially, the thing that differentiates this case from all of the other ones out there is this is a e-ink case. So it's got an e-ink display on the back. So in theory, this image that's looks like a little reindeer, you can change it to anything you want. So you can customize your phone case however you want, and not just once. So obviously there's many companies out there that will do you a printed customized case on the back, but this one you can literally go in and change it whenever you want. So firstly, just take a look at the case. So this back is very shiny. Now, one thing I'm not sure about is whether this has MagSafe, because I can't feel any magnets on the inside. I'll confirm that and list it on screen if it does. So the sides are a rubber, the back is a shiny plastic, which unfortunately will be a fingerprint magnet. I can already tell that. The inside's got a very nice Alcantara lining, and they don't make the mistake that some cases do where they wrap it around the sides. It's only on the flat part, so hopefully that shouldn't give us any issues. On the sides, on the inside part of the case, it is got a sort of ribbed design, so that should help with shock absorbency as well as hopefully grip the phone a bit better. Your buttons are not quite flush fit, but you do have physical buttons for each of the sort of 4 buttons. So we're going to fit this first. So putting it on is very easy. It doesn't stick out too far, so I do have a screen protector installed on the case itself, and it's literally just in line with the actual screen protector. So that I do actually like. I don't really like the cases where they stick out too far, because it ends up creating a ridge, and you can tell that you're using it with a case, as opposed to when it's sort of flush and you can sort of roll your finger over the edges. In terms of ports, so these are a little bit different to anything that I've seen before. So these have sort of perforated holes rather than just having openings. In terms of your buttons, very nice and tactile. So you do have a little section, 2 cutouts just there for a lanyard connection. On the top you have nothing, and as I say, on the sides. Weight wise, it is adding a little bit of weight, but I wouldn't say it's anything too drastic in comparison to all of the other ones that I've had. So first thing we'll do is we'll take a look at what the QR code does. So you scan it, you go to the website. Now I'm not sure if this is done via an app. Yeah, so it is. So you click on that, you get this app, just authenticate that. We'll open it up, we'll allow full access. Okay, so it already comes with some set designs. And what I'll do is we'll just click on this one. It brings up a little prompt. Are you using a new phone case? Confirm. So it's already scanned, so it's picking it up via NFC. So it gives you the image. We'll go with the image as it is, and we'll do casting. It's transferring. So let's see what's happening on the back. So yeah, it is doing something on the back, and there we go. So it has transferred. Now it does give you the option of black and white. So that's essentially the image that it comes back with. Oh yeah, that's improved quite a bit. So yeah, straight away that's changed the image. Now if we go back, so as you can see, obviously the resolution does drop because e-ink isn't going to be as pixel dense as sort of an actual OLED display or something like that, for example. But if we choose Yeah, let's go with this one. Let's see what this one looks like. So we'll go with it as it is. We'll do casting. It's done the percentage. I'm not sure if that cancelled off by mistake. Okay, so it needs a little timeout. So it doesn't want you doing it straight away. There we go. So now it's transferring. I think I must have clicked cancel by mistake when I flipped the phone around. Screen is refreshing. And the thing with e-ink displays, as you may or may not know, is essentially once it's done, so you do get a little confirmation saying it's done, it just stays as it is. The pixel state stays as it is. It doesn't need power. So essentially it will stay like this for as long as until you change it. So yeah, that's a pretty cool little case. And obviously you can always go into your own photo albums and choose whatever image you want for yourself. So it's got, let's do a text one. So let's do this one. I don't think it'll let me do it straight away because I have literally just done it. Actually, it might do, yep. So the screen is refreshing. And that's it done. Quite a simple, quick app to use, and obviously you can go in and you can customize the actual images, you can add text, you can do whatever you want, you can use your own pictures, and as you can see it literally updates within seconds. So say for example you have a certain picture in a certain location and you want to just quickly add it, you can do that within just a number of seconds. So yeah, I am quite impressed. One thing I will just double check is whether or not it has MagSafe. Okay, so in order to test MagSafe, and let's just test how easy it is to take off as well, because obviously with that back being quite rigid, I would say you do need to be careful when taking it off. So the phone is out the way, so we can't be using the phone's MagSafe capabilities, and unfortunately it does not have MagSafe. So this is a MagSafe battery pack, and as you can see it does not stick. Now let's test to see how well it works through the phone. There's a slight pull just there, yeah, and the battery is the right way around, but unfortunately you will not have MagSafe with this particular case. So this is really only intended for those who don't make use of MagSafe, or if you do want to change out your cases throughout the day, then it's still fine. But the rest of the case, in terms of the functionality, how quickly it works, how easy it works, yeah, 2 thumbs up for that. So as always, links will be in the description below. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'd really appreciate if you can also give this video a thumbs up as well. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.